If you want to completely deactivate the Gemini or Google Assistant on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, here's what you can do. So the first thing that we can do is simply open Settings, scroll all the way down and go to Additional Settings, and then in here open the Gesture Shortcuts. Of course, in here you can find the Launch Digital Assistant option, which allows you to press and hold the power button for a half of a second in order to activate the digital assistant, that is Gemini or Google Assistant. And of course we can turn it off so that when you press and hold the power button then it won't happen, but that is of course not everything that we can do. Besides that, in the settings we can open Google, then we can switch to all services, and then in here we need to find the search assistant and voice option. Now here we need to go to Google Assistant. Even if you use Gemini, you want to go to Google Assistant, and if you actually use Gemini, then you want to find the digital assistants from Google. Now if you use Google Assistant already, you can skip this particular step, but we just have to switch to Google Assistant. So after that we're gonna go to General, and over here we have Google Assistant, so we're just gonna turn it off and then confirm your choice, and there we go. Now the Gemini and Google Assistant should not really work on this phone until you reactivate it. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.